Can evil compel murder? Can demonic forces drive a human soul to kill? And could such a claim ever stand in a court of law? Welcome to Conjuring Files. We unseal documented cases where the veil between worlds seems dangerously thin. Tonight, file number 01. The State of Connecticut versus Arne Cheyenne Johnson. Known as the Devil Made Me Do It case, this is the first time in U.S. history a defense attempted to plead not guilty by reason of demonic possession. This isn't just horror, it's a documented legal battle that forced the justice system to confront the possibility of demonic influence. Our file begins in 1980, not with the crime, but with 11-year-old David Glatzel, brother of Arne Johnson's fiancée, Debbie. Family accounts detail terrifying events. David reported seeing a menacing old man, suffered unexplained injuries, spoke in guttural voices, and showed unnatural strength. Desperate, the family contacted Ed and Lorraine Warren, famed paranormal investigators. The Warrens documented their findings, claiming David was afflicted by numerous demons, collecting audio, photos, and witness statements. Priests performed exorcism rites over several days. Witnesses described harrowing scenes. During one intense session, 19-year-old Arne Johnson, present for support, allegedly challenged the entity. "Take me. Come into me." Shortly after, David's episodes reportedly stopped, but witnesses claimed Arne began exhibiting troubling behavior, trance-like states, growling, believing the darkness had found a new host. February 16, 1981, Brookfield, Connecticut. Arne Johnson, Debbie Glatzel, and others were with landlord Alan Bono. Heavy drinking led to a heated argument. According to police reports, Johnson, growling like an animal, fatally stabbed Bono multiple times with a pocket knife. Found miles away and disoriented, Arne claimed no memory of the killing. The crime seemed straightforward. A drunken dispute turned fatal. The defense, however, would make the case infamous. Arne's lawyer, Martin Minella, prepared an unprecedented defense. Not guilty by reason of demonic possession. He argued Arne lacked control, compelled by the entity allegedly transferred from David Glatzel. The defense planned to use the Warrens' evidence and family testimony to assert Johnson lacked criminal intent, mens rea. Judge Robert Callahan faced a dilemma: how to legally prove demonic influence. He delivered a landmark ruling, barring the possession defense itself. "I'm not going to allow the defense of demon possession, period. Such evidence is irrelevant." Testimony about David's experiences was allowed, but only regarding Arne's belief he needed to protect David, not as proof Arne himself was possessed. The Warrens testified under heavy restrictions. The prosecution, led by Walter Flanagan, focused on the tangible facts. Johnson, possibly drunk and jealous, used a knife to kill Bono, presenting it as manslaughter fueled by alcohol and emotion. With the supernatural defense sidelined, the jury deliberated. On November 24, 1981, Arne Johnson was found not guilty of murder, but guilty of first-degree manslaughter. He was sentenced to 10-20 years, serving just under 5 before release in 1986, marrying Debbie while incarcerated. The case became a media sensation, inspiring books like The Devil in Connecticut and the film The Conjuring, The Devil Made Me Do It. Legally, however, the precedent stood. Demonic possession remains scientifically unprovable and is not a recognized defense in the U.S. Was Arne Johnson a victim of demonic transference, mentally ill, or simply responsible for a violent act? The court decided based on law, but the questions linger. Subscribe for more documented encounters with the unexplained. Open the next file with us, if you dare.